Hang on. No? Oh, come on. Come down and have a look in your dish. Come back here. Come on, birds. Hey, come on, birds. No fighting. What? What? I haven't got any. What? No, there isn't any. No, there's not. There's nothing. No grapes. Yes. That's it. That's it. No. I've only started now just giving them once a day. I think probably wouldn't be good for them to have too many. That's it, birds. This is smaller than this one, isn't it?
I'm really not scary. I'm actually quite cute. I was just showing my teeth. We'll be back to the birds in a minute. Hi, my name's Emma and I need your help. I entered a small film competition and now I need your vote. You can vote by going to www.180project.com.au and voting for staff. It only takes a couple of seconds to register and there are great prizes to be won, like mobile phones and TVs. Or if you live in Australia, you can also vote by texting staff to 199 663 80. If you could vote for us, it would be very much appreciated. Right, now let me at them birds.
Hey, Mango. Yeah, hey, Mango. That's it. All the grapes gone. Oh, those big cockies. Hello, birds. Hello, birds. We have a little pick at them. Hello, birds. Oh, no, I haven't got anything. No good looking. It's not up my sleeve. No. Haven't got it hidden anywhere. No. There's none in the cupboard or in the fridge. I'd get them out. They've all gone. Got to go shopping. Yeah, got to go shopping. Oh, all gone. You're so pretty. You sure are. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. What do you think? What do you think? No, nothing. Nothing. No grapes. No. 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 Oh, big lump. All gone. All gone. You don't like mango. I haven't got any. I haven't got any. close to the door and talk and chatting. Give him a bit more. There's Nick across the road. He's waiting. Do you want one on a finger or not?
I don't think they want it, would
Particularly, but it's only the smaller one that will.
they? Hey,
That one's a bit more nervous. What's the matter? Sit on Muggie's hand? Come on. Come on. You usually do if you... Come on, no, I was only going to get you on my finger. Come on, no. And they landed on one of the heads last night. When they first come in. See the TV through the window. I think.
go on.
That's it. They'll be gone. Yeah.